River Flow soccer is important to the city of Rochester because we really bring a highlight and focus to inner city kids. We bring diversity to soccer, and it shows in every single one of our games. It's almost like a brother and sisterhood amongst different nationalities. We're keeping kids off the street. We're keeping them busy, engaged, and as we grow into the future, we want to focus on a little bit more things beyond soccer, such as education and career opportunities, and just really develop all the team players on River Flow.
My name is Avi Fisher Waxpress. I go to the School of the Arts, and I play for the U19 River Flow men's team. I started at River Flow when I was 9 years old on the U10 team with Coach Jerome Underwood, and ever since then, it's really given me a great opportunity to play soccer with all kinds of kids who are less fortunate than myself. Coach Dion always says, bring what you have, so no one's ever turned away. Because of that, some of the best competition in the city, because anyone can play. They bring what they have, they stay committed, and Dion gives them the opportunity to play with the club. River Flow has been very good to me. I've been playing here for 8 years now, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. Yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs or when I stray. Yeah. Well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I walk feelings, I be more like you. Yeah, not to put your fire with the things I do. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive out I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. The circle by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind. Thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in light speed. Times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs or when I stray. Yeah, well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, I walk feelings, I be more like you.
The fear of never falling in love, and the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love was. Like the dirt still up under the rug.
My life be like,
Bad characteristics covered in Christ's blood. The joy of rebirth and the pain of growing up. The bliss between giving my all and giving up. The highs and lows, paths and roads I chose in the cold I froze. Trying to ease my woes in this world of sin. Close to being the victims of the God of sin. Words of hope and pain and growing so let us connect and express. So the sounds of you all meaning by refugees.
things that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs or when I stray. Yeah, well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah,
My name is Yaka Walk, and I play for the U19 team for the River Flow, and I go to Bishop Kearney. I began last year in the spring. I think it's a great program. It's within the city, and so if you don't have the money for as other teams would require, it's easy for you to be able to get financial aid. And my coach, for all I know, is one of the best coaches I've had. He's a great coach, and I enjoy it.
I just like